I will dictate and you will learn. If you're not good at maths, computer science is not for you. Try to do better. If you don't understand what I'm saying, then you're worthless. Hi there, don't get scared. That's not how we would be learning. We would be actually learning very simply because what I do is I like to simplify concepts. And my name is Prasanjit Singh, and I'll simplify concepts from machine learning, from cloud computing, DevOps, site reliability engineering, engineering management concepts, how to get a foothold on the industry if you are a fresher, and so on. So we'll discuss various topics and try to master and learn as much as we can. And one more thing, I can speak 5 languages, so I'll be trying to create videos in different languages so that the language barrier is broken and it can do better. And if you have any suggestions, or if you want to like to see certain videos on certain topics, you can write on the comments. So I'll try to make these videos and make them available to you. And all the videos in Binpipe will always be free forever. So let's get started and let's learn.